Bitcoin shows a potential 1.90% rise by tomorrow, 30 rates data suggests. Let's start with the current setup and see how the chart is moving. Bitcoin has moved higher by 0.40% since yesterday and trades close to $88,114.90. Let's go straight to the analyst views. According to Traders Union, the price might dip to $86,487.28 by tomorrow, a projected fall of 1.90%. Bitcoin could retreat to $86,587.49, according to crypto predictions, roughly 1.70% down. CoinDataFlow notes it might be on track for $87,357.02 on the downside, implying a loss of 0.90%. Another analysis from Cryptonization notes Bitcoin could approach $88,356.47, an estimated rise close to 0.30%. And to wrap up, 30 rates points to $89,835 by January 28, a projected increase of 1.90%. That's the most profitable scenario overall. We've finished 5 projections. Let's keep moving. After reviewing all 5 projections, here's the numerical breakdown. Taking all projections into consideration, the likely price movement is between a decline of 1.90% and a rise of 1.90%, depending on the analyst. By the look of it, Traders Union is calling for the highest return with 1.90% gain in value by tomorrow. Based on these forecasts, you might see a return of between $3 and $19 for every $1,000 you invest. According to volatility analysis, Cryptonization's forecast ranks highest in probability, showing a 75.90% chance of success. With all forecasts compared, I formed a combined consensus scenario. The shared outlook points to Bitcoin landing close to $87,724.65. Here's what the details look like. Consensus analysis indicates the price could slip by 0.50%. At that same percentage level, your capital could also experience growth. Putting $1,000 into this move could reflect about $5 in gain. The probability of this consensus scenario being realized is around 74%. Here's where we look at the 3-day predictions across analysts. Traders Union highlights a neutral short-term stance. According to crypto predictions, the market is likely to trend downward. CoinDataFlow highlights an upward outlook for Bitcoin. Cryptonization points to a sideways outlook where Bitcoin drifts without meaningful progress. 30 rate signals a steady decline. According to the consensus, Bitcoin is expected to remain steady without notable change. So, 60% of analysts are leaning toward a bearish outlook for Bitcoin. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Let's see which ones held up yesterday. At the end of the day, the price settled at $88,345.10. Yesterday showed that only one forecast pointed to the right side of the move. If we check accuracy alone, coin price forecast was the closest. Let's look at the results more closely. Only one prediction matched the limits of yesterday's move. As far as ROI goes, coin price forecast was the only one in profit with 0.10%. Here's the summary. A quick look at all forecast outcomes. For comparison, crypto predictions reached minus 0.20% ROI and $920.35 accuracy. Have a look and decide which forecast came truest to life. Here's a side-by-side comparison of tomorrow's forecasted performance between Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. In the profitability overview, Bitcoin holds 5th place, and Polygon forecasts 1.80%. In this section, Bitcoin appears next to 4 randomly chosen cryptocurrencies. The extended table with many more assets and analyst accuracy data will soon go live on my site and Telegram. And that's the end, friends. If this video was helpful or saved you time, show with a like. Have a good one.